before we start with paper 2, after the paper 1, someone asked me some questions. So it's regarding this question 4. We are asked to factorize. So what is same in the front term and back term? What is common, what is same, we take out because they are the common factor. So which is why we can take out 5. Both 5 and 10 can be divided by 5. Okay? Then both the front and the back got a identical bracket, meaning the entire bracket, when we view it as one thing, it is the same. So we can also take out the bracket. Then the front, I take out 5, I take out bracket, I'm left with A. The back, I take out 5, I take out bracket, I'm left with -2. Okay? Then someone was asking, what if these two brackets are not the same? So, for example, if one is y plus x, one is y minus x, then the two brackets, they are not the same. If they are not the same, means it is not a common factor in both the front and the back. So if we are going to factorize, we cannot take the bracket out because it is not a common factor in both the front and the back. It is not the same. Okay? So we can only take out 5. Then what is left behind, the front will be a y plus x. The back will be -2 y minus x. Okay? You can further simplify it. Ay plus ax minus 2y plus 2x. Negative become positive. Then you can put the group, the y and x together, but actually it is not necessary. So this entire thing, you don't even expand it, just leave it like that. Okay? If it is not the same, and there's no way to make them the same. Okay? Then let's go on to paper 2. Okay, given A equals to B over C bracket D minus E. So this formula or this equation is giving you the relationship between A, B, C, D and E. Okay, then now they tell us B is 1, 2, 5, C is 5, D is 3, E is -2. If you are given this value, what is A? They want you to find the value of A. So this is simply just substitution. So A is, what is B? And substitution, remember, whatever value we want to substitute, we use a bracket and then put the value inside. So B is replaced by bracket 1, 2, 5. The divide line will change, but now we know what is C. C is 5, so we put C, replace it with a bracket and put 5 inside. The bracket, existing bracket outside D and E, we don't change. Bracket is still there. Then now that we know D is 3. So we are going to substitute D. We put D as a bracket and put 3 inside. Minus, no change. We are replacing E, substituting E with -2. So the entire E is replaced by a bracket, -2 inside the bracket. Then after E there is this bracket, close it. Okay? Then simplify or press calculator. 125 over 5. 3 minus -2 become plus. Okay? 125 over 5 times 525 equals to 5. Question 2. Can quite simple, right? Just substitution. Question 2. This is a laptop. After 15% off, the price is 2,500 without GST. Okay, so part A, calculate the selling price of the laptop before discount. So this 2,500 is when it is already 15% off. So this original price should be 100%, right? So this is already 15% off, means this 2,500 is actually at 85% of its original price. 15% off from 100%. So this 2,500 is actually 85%. Now they ask you to calculate the selling price of the laptop before discount. So before discount means the price at 100%. So you know 85% is 2,500. You are asked to find what is the price when it is 100%. So 100 over 85 times 2,500 equals the entire reason why it is 100 over 85 times 2,500 is 85% is 2,500. So if we want to find 1%, 1% will be 2,500 divided by 85. Then we find 100% will be 100 times 2,500 over 85. Okay, so this is why I come to 100 over 85 times 2,500. Okay, so press calculator, you will get your answer. Two, 9, 4, 1.1. The calculator shows 2941.176. For money, because our smallest unit of money we use is cent. Okay, 5 cent, 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent. Last time used to have 1 cent, 1 cent coins. So which is why money we always just give to the 2 decimal points when it's in dollars. Okay, because that is the how many cents. So to give to 2 decimal point, we look at the 3rd decimal point. It is bigger than 5. 7 has to round up. So the answer is 2941.18. Okay, this is part A. Part B, calculate the current selling price of the laptop inclusive of 7% GST. Okay, so now